TV.
Fridge on fridge.
Fridge and babu. Fridge.
Fridge.
Okay, good.
Fridge.
ఇదేంటి egg. Egg. Egg.
Moon and moon. New day, new vlog. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone's doing great. I just came back from the gym, going to take a quick shower, and I wanted to show you something. You see that bubble? Exactly what happened to Naisha. I put like frozen chicken on a hot pan and usme se oil splashed out and fell on my skin. This is very little, but Naisha ka to you guys know, right? It was a lot. Now it's better, but oh my god, I can imagine. Flight. So let's take a shower and I'll see you guys. What are you doing? One, two. Mama will scold you. You just took a bath. Now you say hi. Say hi. New vlog. Every day you coming in the vlog. Okay, enough. Back to the editing throne, and I wanted to show you something funny about Apple. Usually we don't joke about Apple. Sriman doesn't joke about Apple because he is an Andu Bhakt. He loves anything Apple makes. Doesn't matter how stupid it is. For example, look at this. This is the way you need to charge the Apple mouse. Seriously, who gives a charging port below yaar? Somewhere else, maybe in the side or something, so that you can place it. How do I place it, dude? I need to place it like this. But if there's some weight on this, then it's gonna get clicked, or else I have to switch it off and then place it like this. Seriously. The designer who designed this, Apple mein, hats off to you. Amazing design. I love it. It's okay. It's Apple. I love it. Hey! Put it back. Those are my AirPods. Amma, Nancy is scaring me. So whenever you say Amma, she look like that. Naishu, put all that back. You got compliments from our subscribers that you're cleaning your mess. Come on, don't fail me like this. Dude, not in front of the camera. Get up. Put that back. Go. Good girl. Clean your mess. I'll put this. You put that. Ye wala. Put that back. Very good. Punch. Very good. Punch. Very good. No. I'm not trying to show off any muscle right now. Do you see this color difference? You see the face color? Whatever you're seeing all these days, this is not my original skin color. My original skin color is this. You see this white, Taj Mahal color white. And this is one of the main reasons I do not step out without using a sunscreen at all. This is the Ultralight Indian Sunscreen by Mamaearth. Not only it is SPF 50, which gives you ultimate protection from UV rays, but it is also induced with turmeric, which helps in removing this kind of tan. So once I take a shower, first thing I do is without forgetting, I have to put some good layer of sunscreen on me. You can apply this on the face as well. It also prevents your skin from premature aging, and most importantly, for someone like me, it helps maintain even skin tone. Also, it reduces chances of skin cancer. As usual, we have different types of sunscreen. This is the Ultralight Indian Sunscreen, and this is the Hydra-Gel Indian Sunscreen. Depending on your skin requirement, you can use that particular one. The best part is every time you buy from Mamaearth, they link your order on their website to tree that they plant. Their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025. They've been awarded PETA's cruelty-free and beauty without bunnies certification. And all Mamaearth products are free from chemicals. They're made of natural ingredients. You can use my coupon code Sriman2021, get flat 20% off at mamaearth.in. They're also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Mamaearth. The coupon code is valid only on Mamaearth's website, not on Amazon or Flipkart. Now let's go down and have some lunch. Naishu will also have her lunch. Yep. Hold the camera. So I got bored of eating chicken every day, so today I thought I'll have some fish. This is Basa fish, and I'm not gonna pan fry it this time. We have a toaster, an oven. Is there a difference between a toaster and an oven? Let's put some nice, beautiful looking fillet. By the way, vegetarian, pure vegetarians, I'm sorry. You can skip for the next 1 minute at least. Already preheated the oven. Today actually lots of good food they're cooking at home. For now I'm making my fish, and Sham mein dad is actually planning to make something very special. I don't know if he's making it today. Let me ask him actually. Okay, already mom mixed some olive oil in it, and this is exactly 250 grams of basa fish. And also it is very good to sometimes mix your meat. One day if you're having chicken, one day you can have fish. Really good for your health that way. Now all we have to do is wait for 15 minutes. It should become like butter. When you want to make a good body, when you want to lose fat, if you want to make a healthy lifestyle, you have to cook your own meals. My mom knows how to cook my meals, so she helps me with that most of the time, 95%. But Pooja doesn't cook meat. Either me or mom should make this. Pooja can make amazing veg stuff, like next level veg stuff, and she usually keeps making paneer and all that, which is not allowed in my diet for now. I mean, I can have that. Only thing is calorie count. That dieting is going to be boring. Tell me, is your food this exciting? No, right? Every day I eat this kind of food. Your brain is going to stay happy because of this kind of good food and because of amazing fish oil and all that inside. Amazing nutrients in it. And then it is super lean, very good for fat loss and all that, and also good for your heart health. So this is not just my lunch. I'm going to also have... Naisha, you want to have? Fish. Say fish. Fish. Slowly she's starting to talk. Don't go out. Come here. No, don't go out. So my lunch is gonna be 250 grams of grilled fish and one roti. I'm planning to do one complete vlog about my full day of eating. What all I eat from breakfast till midnight snack. Tell me if you guys are interested, I'll do that. Put the phone back. Okay, hello. Okay, I'll say. Hello. Hello, Naishu. Hello. So now let's eat. I was just editing today's vlog on the new 4K monitor, and I just realized something. I mean, some people have also suggested me this. They wanted me to vlog in 4K. This particular camera, Sony A7S III, it captures amazing 4K at 60 FPS, I think, if I'm not wrong. Do you guys really want that? I mean, I don't watch any videos more than 1080p because 95% of our videos we watch on phones, right? Itna chota sa screen mein what will you watch 4K content unless you have a big screen? Not even this one, at least that size. That kind of huge screens, they need 4K so that you can pack more pixels in a larger area and have that crisp video quality. But itna chota sa screen, 95% of my viewers, I think, you watch on mobiles, and mobiles pe 4K, I don't think it makes sense. Not only that, second thing is, do you people have so much of data? My data pack is not more than 1 GB per day. Editing also becomes a little bit slow. Third thing, why do you want to waste your data plan? You can watch other videos, you can watch some series, movies, you can listen to music. Time is almost 5 o'clock, which means Naisha is up and with me. Today I think it's the longest time she's with me. Look at her, what is she doing? She knows how to skip an ad. See? Skipped an ad, dude. I mean, how does she know that that's an ad? She waits for 5 seconds and then skips the ad. Dude, you are like next level. Okay, time is around 6:50, almost 7 o'clock in the evening. I just had my coffee. And it's today's special. Dad is making halim. I know this is not the season for halim, but when you can make at home, why not? There are like a lot of ingredients here. Very difficult to explain all of this. This is a mix of all types of grams.
Boiled chestnut.
Black gram, white gram, green gram, all the types of grams.
Boiled and grind.
Mixed fruit juice. I think halim is the most difficult, most complicated dish to make. That's what I feel.
Actually complicated, but you need to do it with passion.
Why are we making halim today?
Pooja requested.
Pooja wanted to have halim.
She was requesting.
Pooja, as per tradition, as per her culture, she shouldn't have non-veg, but she likes halim. Her favorite is fish. Out of everything. Dad also makes amazing biryani. Is it tougher than making biryani? Halim?
Both have different types of making. Because you failed me 40 times in biryani. So after 40 times I am successful.
Dad used to make biryani since almost 2 to 3 years, no, 4 or 5 years. And every time he used to give it to me to taste. And I used to be like 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10. And finally, one day he made excellent biryani after 40 times of trying. Then I gave like 10 out of 10, 40 times. Now every time he makes it, he nails it. And by the way, it is not like that typical homemade halim. It is like what you get outside. But it is a very high time consuming process. You need to have a lot of patience. You need to have a lot of passion towards making all this. One day Pooja makes amazing stuff, amazing veg stuff. One day mom makes amazing stuff. One day dad makes amazing stuff like this. But I don't get to eat all this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat this time. Let's see, maybe I'll taste a little bit. And the problem is, every time I wanted to get onto a super strict diet, because recently I told you, right, I had to cheat a lot in my previous north trip, and after that I recently went to Bangalore. That day also thoda sa cheating ho gaya, and then I committed to myself that this time I'm not gonna cheat. After I come back to Hyderabad, this time let's get ripped properly, get proper 8-pack, no, not 8-pack, 6-pack. So this time I wanted to be super strict, but Garpe, they're making all this kind of stuff, dude. Maybe I'll taste a little bit. Okay, Halim is getting cooked meanwhile. Seriously? Just now I opened the camera, dude, and you send a flight. Ek vlog mein 2 baar. It's too much. Okay, Halim is getting cooked inside. Meanwhile, I thought I'll come and take a walk. I have to do like 1 hour of cardio in the evening. Morning strength training for 1 hour, and after that immediately half an hour of cardio. Again in the evening I have to do 1 hour of proper cardio, which is kind of intense. But then if you want to achieve some goals, you have to do all these things. You shouldn't be giving excuses and all that. This is gonna continue for the next at least 20 to 30 days. So that's my workout. 51 minutes, 250 calories done. I have to do like 1 hour of cardio, but that's okay. Bahut ho gaya abhi. And our Halim is almost done. Total cooking time entsepu?
Easily over 2 hours.
Total cooking time is 2 hours. I can smell ghee, I can smell mutton, I can smell a ton of spices. 70% done. Now we need to remove the bones from this
Separately.
Sorry all my vegetarian subscribers. Today morning also I showed you fish, and now I'm showing you mutton. We have to separate the bones and all that now, and after that it will be mashed, right?
Yeah, we have to mash it.
And then add this mixed fruit juice. It's not mixed fruit juice, but 10 types of gram.
Not that. Around 6.
6 types of gram.
This is, original paya type, Sherwa.
When you ask for a parcel of Halim, last me they put something, right? A liquid. That's this. I mean, Hyderabadis might know this, but for the ones who are not from Hyderabad, it's called shorba. I'm not sure. Hyderabadis, we still don't know. We know only eating. We don't know technical terms.
We need to grind it like this. Initially.
See, I'm also part of making the Halim. Naisha is also part of
making halim.
Okay, also hold.
Now we have to put all this into this one.
What is this? I was just saying, as per your custom, you shouldn't be eating non-veg.
As per custom, you shouldn't be doing so many things. हाँ baby.
He wants to go out.
Okay, come.
Abhi pachar hai. There are mosquitoes now. 99% and last 1% left. We have to mix these two things. I mean, dad made everything, but I'm gonna stir it. I mean, you need to keep mixing it like this for the next 30 minutes. You should keep mixing it so that the consistency comes closer and becomes like thick like this. The main reason I'm doing it is because we can have cardio.
Oh, is it?
See?
अच्छा भाई.
From 30 minutes I'm doing this.
Very good.
Watch भी लगा लिया, so I
कार्डियो
think
सर
it's
बाद में खाना नहीं जाके ऊपर.
Yeah, it is done.
Finally, after 3 hours of cooking, almost like 6 o'clock dad started cooking this. Finally it is done. Now is the main thing, tasting ceremony. I just messaged Zishan. I told my trainer I'm preparing this Halim at home.
What did he say?
I sent a video to him. I'm making Halim, but I'm not going to eat, don't worry. Maybe for taste I'll have 1 spoon. He said 1 spoon is fine. 1 spoon is fine. Zishan is very strict. But actually I'll have only 1 spoon. For the taste.
I know. Very nice.
Already feedback is coming पीछे से. It's good. 9.5 out of 10.
10.
Pooja 10 on 10. Mummy? Mom doesn't know the basic taste of Halim, so usually she doesn't eat Halim.
9.
Naishu?
Nice eating onion omelette.
She is busy creating a mess. I don't want. So then back to the editing. editing throne. It's difficult to say editing throne. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and in case I made your mouth water, I'm very sorry for that. Halim season is coming soon, so don't worry, you will get your Halim. Do give this video a thumbs up, it's free, and also subscribing is absolutely free, so do that, and also follow me on Instagram at Sriman Kotaru, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.